Once again, welcome to accountancy class, grade 12. So we see last previous session, we understood about over subscription of shares according to the category wise. So we discussed the accountancy part of it, the calculation part, not in the entry part. So now we are going to see one example with the entry part also, the same manner, how the category wise we will discuss. Why the statement we have to prepare. From the statement, we are going to take the amount to enter in our journal entries. Okay. So this session we will learn the statements, importance of statements. Simultaneously, you have to do the journal entries also. Okay. So now we will see the one example here. So one example. A company invited applications for 50,000 equity shares. How much? 50,000 equity shares of 10 each. You know what is it? 10 each. What is the nominal face value of the shares? As follows. What are the breakup structure? On application 3 rupees, on allotment 3 rupees, on first and final call 4 rupees. So totally you have to verify 10 rupees at par. Then the applications are received for how much? 1,10,000 shares. So how much excess? More than 60,000 shares. Issued only 50,000 equity shares. How much applied? 1,10,000 shares. So now category wise, how they given the information? How we are going to classify category wise? So more than 60,000 shares it is there. So it was decided. First to refuse allotment to the applicants for 10,000 shares. So the first 10,000 shares we need not allot. Whoever applied the 10,000 shares, he refused, totally refused. Okay. So 10,000 shares refused. The balance how much? 1 lakh shares. Now, the second one, to allot 50% to Mr. X, who has applied for 20,000 shares. So what is 50%? Naturally, 10,000 shares only allotted. See, applied is 20,000. So allotted how much? 10,000. Okay. But what? The second category wise. To allot 50% to Mr. X, who was applied for 20,000 shares. So whoever applied 20,000, allotted only 10,000 only. Then, to allot, third category, to allot in full. So you have to allot in full to Mr. Y, who was applied for 10,000 shares. So whatever 10,000 applied, we allotted 10,000 shares. That's what in full. Whatever applied 10,000 shares, they allotted fully 10,000. Okay. Now 10,000 here 10,000. Okay. Thereafter, to allot balance of the available shares on pro rata basis. So whatever the balance, you have to allot pro rata basis. Here, just to see what is the balance. Actually, how much they applied? 1,10,000 shares. Already 10,000 shares, they said to refuse. So balance 1,30,000 considered. Okay. So what is the balance? So naturally 70,000 shares is the balance. Applied. Whatever 1,10,000, 10,000 refused. Balance 1 lakh. Already 30,000 we are given the effect. So what naturally balance how much? 1 lakh minus 30,000, 70,000 is right now the applied share. Okay. For that, similarly, so what is the balance here? To allot balance of the available shares on pro rata basis among the applicants. Okay. So now the applicants are how many balance? 70,000. So how much are going to allot? We have to issue 50,000. So naturally here what is the balance? Only 30,000. Okay. So now you will see when you total this, you will get 50,000. Here whatever 1,10,000, different category wise, just you see the information, what is the applied information, how much are going to allot. Okay, that's what the balance, meaning for this, fourth one, to allot balance of the available shares on pro rata basis. So what is the balance amount? As a 1 lakh balance, as 10,000 refused. So balance 1 lakh, already 30,000 with debt treatment. So balance 70,000, how are going to allot? So naturally balance is what? Only 30,000. So whoever applied 70,000, they allotted only 30,000. Or whoever every 7 shares applied, they allotted 3 shares. Okay, that's what the fourth category. It's a very important one. See here, indirectly they given core interface is the information about application of the shares and how much are going to allot. Then finally, to utilize excess application money, so in part payment of allotment and final call. So whatever the excess application money after amount transferred to share capital account, the balance money, how we are going to calculate, whether we consider as for the share allotment purpose, then this one we have to pay money bank, okay, that will come separately. So available excess application, how we are going to adjust. So for that, you want to prepare the statement. Okay, the statement showing is very, very important. So what is the question here? Was journal entries till the stage of allotment, as on year allotment, assuming that the total amount due on allotment is received. So whatever the allotment due, we assumed that the entire allotment due is received. Only thing, how much we are going to receive. That's what we are going to see now. Okay. So that's what in this problem, whenever category wise, we have to prepare the statement showing the excess application money, how we are going to utilize, how much transfer to share capital account, then any share allotment, then any calls in advance, then balance any refunded here. Okay, here first category itself, they refuse. So 10,000. Now we will see now how we are going to prepare the statement showing this problem about the details. Okay, so this will helpful for us to prepare our journal entries also. So now we have to prepare the statement details regarding how we are going to adjust the application money. So we have to prepare like the statement showing details of share application money. So what are the heading categories? Then shares applied, then shares allotted, then application money received. From this information, disposal of share application money received. Totally 4 columns. How much are going to transfer share capital, then shares allotment, then calls in advance, then refund. Okay. So one by one, category wise, are going to given the allocation with the help of this statement. Okay. So what is the category number? Category 1. So first one is what? It is a rejection. Correct? So rejected. Actually, that particular category, how many shares applied? As you know, 10,000 shares. As you know, what is the application money? So application, allotment, then first and final call. Correct? First and final call. What is the application? 3 rupees. Allotment 3. Then final call 4. Totally 10. Correct? So 3 on application. Correct? 3 on application. Yes, 3 on application. Then 3 on allotment. So balance money 4 rupees on first and final call. So how much shares applied in the first category? The entire 10,000 shares rejected. So here no question of allotment. So in this category 1, actually how many shares applied? So application money received how much? Okay. So how much received? How do you know? So 10,000 into 3 rupees. Okay. 3 rupees application. So I will get it 30,000. So whatever shares applied 10,000, there is no share allotment for this category number 1. So the application money received how much? 10,000 into 3, 30,000. So the entire money transferred to refund. 30,000. So first one, very easy one. So whatever amount 10,000 applied in category number 1, the entire shares rejected. So what are rejected? I are going to give the effect. So application money received 30,000. Now you got it. 10,000 shares. That's what you applied here. Into 3, 30,000. So no question of share capital and any adjustments here. Directly are refunded. Okay. That is the category number 1. And what is category 2? So what is category 2? In category 2, how much they applied? Actually they applied second one 20,000 shares, correct? They applied 20,000 shares. In this 20,000 shares, only the 50% only allotted. So naturally, how much it will come here? Here, 10,000. So 50% only allotted. Okay, this 20,000. So only 50% allotted. I mentioned here 50% of 20,000. Clear understanding. Okay. So 10,000 only allotted. So actually, how much received money here? First we have to receive money how much? 20,000. Okay. So what is the value? 20,000 into 3. Okay. So how much you received? 60,000. Okay. But how much are going to transfer? Share capital account. Only allotted how much? 10,000 only. Okay. So for that, you are going to calculate only 10,000 amount. So here, 10,000 into 3 rupees application. So how much are going to transfer share capital account? 30,000. Okay. From the 60,000, 30,000 going to transfer. Because only 10,000 only shares allotted. That's why 10,000 into 3, 30,000 share capital. Okay. So from the 60,000, 30,000 transfer to share capital account. Balance how much? Remaining 30,000 is there. So how much I can be able to transfer share allotment? Okay. Same my 10,000 into allotment money. Okay. So 30,000. So whatever my 60,000, 30,000 I transfer to share capital account. Balance 30,000 I transfer to share allotment account. Okay. So here no question of cost in advance. Here no refund. You understood the second category? Repeat once again. As a 20,000 shares applied, only the 50% allotted 10,000. Actually, how much application money received? Whatever 20,000 into 3 rupees application, 60,000. How much I'm going to transfer? Allotted only 10,000, 3 rupees application. So 10,000 into 3, 30,000 transfer to share capital account. So from the 60,000, 30,000 transfer share capital, balance 30,000, I transfer to share allotment account. So whatever 60, I utilized the share capital and the share allotment account. Here no question of cost in advance and no refund. Understood the category 2. Now the category 3. What is category 3? Maybe category 3, the name of the person, I think is here X, correct? Here X. Here Y. The category 3. So they applied how much? They applied 10,000 shares. So allotted also 10,000 shares. Okay. So how much application money received? Again 10,000 into 3. 30,000. Okay. For category 3, 30,000 only. So whatever shares applied 10,000, so we 100% allotted 10,000. So actually application may received for this category 3Y, 10,000 into 3, 30,000 entire money. So here no question of allotment because whatever 10,000 they applied, so allotted. So received money only 30,000 only right now. No excess application here. Okay. So here no question of transfer and share capital account. Okay. We transfer to share capital account. Correct. How much share capital account? Yes. Transfer to share capital account entire money 30,000. Okay, the entire money transferred to share capital account. So no question of share allotment because no excess share application money. Okay, no excess share application money. So this 30,000 now it will came same 10,000 into 3. Understand? The category 3, whatever shares applied 10,000 shares, so entirely allotted 10,000. So what is the share application money received? 10,000 into 3, 30,000. So entire 30,000 I transfer to share capital account. So no question of excess application money here. So I can't adjust here. That's why I put nil. That was our category number 3. Now category number 4. So 4 they mentioned here as a pro rata basis. Okay. Here pro rata basis. So what is the meaning for that pro rata basis? They said whatever the balance, okay, whatever the balance, we can consider as a pro rata. Actually, how much applied, you know, that information from the problem, we get it, how much applied. So applied is 1,10,000, correct? But issued how much? Issued only 50,000 shares. That's why information is taken from the problem. Okay, so here, what is the fourth category? So whatever the balance you consider for the pro rata basis. Actually, how much shares applied? As a 1,10,000, you deduct 10, 20, 30, 40. So what is the balance? So here 1,10,000 applied. That you have to mention here. 1,10,000. Okay. Actually, how much are going to allot? You are supposed to allot how much? Only 50,000. Okay. So naturally, how much shares applied here? You get it. That is 70,000. Okay. So this is the balancing figure. Okay. This will get the balancing figure. This 70,000. Similarly, as a 50,000 allotted, we are going to allot, already allotted 20,000. So naturally balance, how much are going to allot? 30,000. This is the balancing figure. Okay, that's what our category number 4. So very important one. Here they are not directly given pro rata basis. What is the applied share? What is our share allotment? They are given indirectly with the help of our applied shares 1,10,000. Our issued shares 50,000. Supposed to get how much again the balance applied, how much I am going to allot. So only 30,000 only I am going to allot because issued share is only 50,000. So understood this part. Now we are going to calculate. So whatever shares applied, then shares allotted. Now here application money received how much? This 70,000, correct? Put in the bracket 70,000 into 3. Okay. So how much I will get it? So 70,000 into 3, 2,10,000. 2,10,000. Again, get as a share application. How much? Applied 70,000 into 3 rupees. I got how much? 2,10,000 rupees in the form of share application money for 70,000 shares. And actually, how much allotted? Allotted only 30,000 shares. So how much I am going to transfer share capital first? As a 30,000 into 3. So how much I am going to transfer? Only 90,000 only I am going to transfer. From the 2,10,000, only the 30,000 shares only allotted. That's why 30,000 each share application 3 rupees, only 90,000 I am going to transfer share capital account. Okay, so thereafter, see how I will mention here 2,10,000. Okay, now 90,000 gone. So what is the balance here? 0. So 11 minus 9. So 2. 1,20,000 available balance right now. Okay. So we can utilize for the share allotment how much? Okay. Again. How much? Again. How much are going to allot? 30,000. What is the share allotment? 3 rupees only. Okay. So here I am going to do again this one. Here. Okay, and here. So what is my share allotment? Only 30,000. I am supposed to pay. What is my share allotment money? 3 rupees. Okay, into 3 rupees. So I will adjust 90,000. Okay, so from the 1,20,000, I am going to adjust how much? 90,000. This money. Okay. Again, what is the balance here? Balance 30,000 is there. Correct? 30,000 is there. This 30,000 we are going to consider calls in advance. You understood me? So whatever 70,000, I received share application with 2,10,000. From the 2,10,000, only the 30,000 shares allotted. The 30,000 into 3, 90,000. Then again 30,000 into 3, 90,000. So totally from the 2,10,000, 1,80,000, 90,000 transferred to share capital account. Balance 90,000 transferred to share allotment account. Remaining 30,000 I am going to I am going to keep it as a calls in advance account. I have understood the last one, fourth category. Okay. That's what the calculation here. Now see what is our total application? 2,10,000, 30, then this 60, this 30,000. Total comes to how much? 0, 0, 0. So here also 0. So 1, this 3, 4, 10, then 3. So 1 plus 3, 4, 10, 13. So balance 1. So 3,30,000 received as a share application money. So what is my exact, see what is my exact share capital transfer? Whatever 30,000, this 30,000, this 90,000. So what is my exact share capital account? Totally 1,50,000. So totally we will get it 1,50,000. 0, 0, 0, 0, 9 plus 1, 10, 13, 1,50,000. Okay, 9 plus 1, 10, 12 plus 3, 15. So 1,50,000 will get it as a share application. Whatever 3,30,000 I transferred to share capital account 1,50,000. So what is my share allotment I'm going to transfer? This already 90,000, this 30,000. Coming under 1,20,000 I'm going to adjust for share allotment. Okay. So this is the calls in advance 30,000 only. Okay. Finally, my refund is 30,000. You understood the statement? So as a 3,30,000, now we will see one by one. As a 3,30,000, we see whether we done it correct or not. As a 3,30,000, this is our application. Money received. Okay, 150. I'm going to transfer share capital account. What is the balance? 0, 0, 0, 0. So 13 minus 5, 8. So 1,80,000 is there. Then I adjusted 120 this amount. So 120. So what is the balance? 60,000. Okay. This 60,000, this 30,000 I adjusted. So balance 30,000 refund. Understood? For this class certification. That's what the statement helps as a disposal of share application money received. This is what your share application money received. 3,30,000. How we are going to dispose? How much you transfer to share capital account? What is your share allotment transfer? Thereafter, what is calls in advance? Finally, how much refund? So that's why we are going to prepare this statement showing details of share application money. To prepare this statement only, now we can easily do the journal entry. Okay, now we will see the journal entry now. Okay, so what is the first journal entry? Bank account data to share application account. Okay, what is the first one? See, bank account data. How much? As you know, how many shares? 1,10,000 shares into 3 rupees share application money. So 3,30,000 to share application. Share application account. Okay, 3,30,000. Variation being 1,10,000 shares applied for 3 rupees each. Okay, that's what your first entry. This 1,30,000. This one. How do you know? Even though we know this, but only the statement helps us how you distribute the excess share application money. Here refunded, here category 2 excess I am going to adjust, then here there is no excess, here and here excess, 4th category. So understood first entry, bank account data 3,30,000. So bracket you have to mention always. So 1,10,000 into 3, number of shares applied. Okay, into 3, 3,30,000. To share application account, 3,30,000. Narration being 1,10,000 shares applied for rupees 3 each for application money. Okay, that's what your entry number 1. Now, what is the entry number 2? That's what going to transfer. See, the share application account data. How much? This 3,30,000, correct? See, 3,30,000. 30,000. How I am going to distribute for the different category? Okay, first one what? To share capital account. To share capital account. How much? I am supposed to transfer how much? 50,000. Okay, that's what in the bracket. 50,000 into 3. Okay, 1,50,000. Okay, thereafter by share allotment adjustment to share allotment account. How much? Share allotment. How much? 1,20,000. We're going to adjust. 1,20,000. So what is my calls in advance? 2 calls. Calls in advance account. How much? 30,000. Okay, 30,000. Thereafter, finally refund. So, share application account data to bank account. To bank account 30,000. Understood? For this transaction only, we are going to prepare the detailed statement shows that we are going to utilize our share application money received. Okay, that's what you see the journal entry. It's a very, very, very important one. So now you see the statements once again very clearly. From the statement, he done the first journal entry, bank account data 3,30,000. This heading, application money received. Okay, even bracket also you mentioned very clearly. 1,10,000 shares applied at the rate of 3 rupees application money. So bank account data 3,30,000 to share application account 3,30,000. Then what is share application account data 3,30,000 to share capital account how much? 1,50,000. Thereafter share allotment account 1,20,000. This one. Thereafter calls in advance 30,000. Then we refused the 10,000 shares, correct? So to bank. Share application to bank account 30,000. This entry was, we already learned our previous session, correct? How we are going to prepare the combined entry. Okay. So here the entry whatever 3,30,000, we done it here combined entry. So as we individually more than 3 entries, we done it in a second entry, is a combined entry. Share application 3,30,000. How distributed? Share capital, share allotment, calls in advance and bank because of the refusal. Okay, you understood the entry, second entry. Now what is the third entry? What is the third entry? That is share allotment due. That's what they asked. Whatever the share allotment they received, they mentioned. Now you see, actually you want to know what is our share allotment due, correct? So what is our share allotment due? So what is the entry for that? Share allotment due. Okay. See carefully. So we want to make it third entry. What is the third one? Share allotment account. Share allotment account data. How much? You know how many shares? 50,000 shares allotted. Okay. 50,000 shares into 3 rupees. Okay. That is 1,50,000 as a allotted shares. 3 rupees as a share allotment money. 3 rupees application, 3 rupees share allotment. So we want to suppose to get how much? 1,50,000 share allotment account data to share capital account. To share capital account. How much? 1,50,000. So narration being share allotment D. Okay. This is the our carrying. Now listen carefully. This is the due entry 1,50,000. But how much are going to receive? The whatever the due amount of 1,50,000? No. That's what we want to verify. Already share allotment we got it 1,20,000. Okay. How much? 1,20,000. So how much you are supposed to receive? As a 1,50,000. Already got it. Share allotment 1,20,000. How? Excess application money. So now going to receive how much? Only 30,000. So that's what our fourth entry. Okay, I will mention here fourth entry. Fourth entry, bank account data. How much? I will mention for understanding. Whatever 1,50,000 already received how much? 1,20,000 adjustment is correct. So minus 1,20,000. So you get it only 30,000 only to share allotment account. You understood? Share allotment account 30,000. Narration being share allotment money received. So that entire 1,50,000 already adjusted 1,20,000. So we are supposed to get only how much? Only 30,000. That's what the entry. Bank account data. That's what the entry. Entry number 4. Bank account data 30,000 to share allotment account 30,000. You understood? So now you see here 120 share allotment credited 1,20,000. Here also share allotment account 30,000. Now to credit 120. 1,20,000, 30,000 become debit of 1,50,000. See, debit of 1,50,000 spread over 3 credit. Already 1 credit passed. That's what 2 share allotment 1,20,000. Now again here also bank account data to share allotment account 30,000. You understood? So naturally you want debit part 1,50,000 spread over 2 credit part. Already adjusted 1 credit share allotment 1,20,000. Here also share allotment 30,000. You understood? That's what our fourth entry. Understood? Now, even fifth entry is going to pass. What is fifth entry? The 4 rupees share first call. What is the entry? Okay, so we will do that fourth entry. Fifth entry. Final call. First and final call. How much? 4 rupees, correct. So that you will do now. I am telling you why that. So what is this is fourth one, fifth one. What is fifth one? Share first and final one account. How much? 4 rupees, correct? Because 3 rupees application, 3 rupees allotment. Remaining 4 rupees as a first and final call. Okay, so I change it here. 50,000 into 4 rupees. So I will suppose to get 2 lakhs. Okay, to share capital account 2 lakhs. Narration being share first and final call due. Okay, being share first and final call due. Okay, 2 lakhs. How 2 lakhs? 50,000 whatever allotted into 4 rupees or first and final call per share. So 2 lakhs. So how much are going to receive now? Same manner. So already we are going to show in our excess application money only calls in advance how much? 30,000. Okay. So you are supposed to receive how much? 2 lakhs. So 2 lakhs minus 30,000. Receive only how much? Only 1,70,000. Okay. So I will pass the entry here. I will pass the entry here. Here I will pass. So what is the sixth entry? Simple. So bank account data. Bank account data. How much I am supposed to receive? 2 lakhs. Correct? 2 lakhs. But 2 lakhs minus already we got it is 30,000. This part as a calls in advance. Okay, 30,000. So we can get only 1,70,000. Okay, to share first and final call upon 1,70,000. Narration being share first and final call received. You understood the entry part about as on first and final call. So first duty, you have to prepare the statement. From the statement, you have to get information. But how you are going to do the main exam, first you have to give the space for the journal entries. So working notes. So this is called, this statement, this is called working note. Okay, working notes. So first you have to give the space for the journal entries, 1 page or 2 page. Under that only you are going to prepare this statement. Okay, so don't do first statement. Give the spaces for the journal entries. Whatever done it, total how many entries? Totally we done it our 6 entries. Okay, so for that you have to give the space for that. Thereafter down what you have to put a heading working notes. Then you have to put a heading statement showing details of their application money. So you have to memorize what are the headings whenever category wise given. So first heading categories, our share applied, share allotted, application money received, then getting disposal of share application money received. So what is share capital, share allotment, calls and advance, and any refund. Okay. For that you have to make the information from the sum. So accordingly how many categories available. After that, whatever this is the final information, based upon that you have to prepare the journal entries. So that's what the correct way of working, correct. So that's what very, very important session for this. You understood now the importance of preparation of the statement showing excess share application money, how disposal of different levels, as share capital, share allotment, calls and advance and refund. Okay. So accordingly you please work out. We repeat the videos for 3 or 4 times only. You can be able to do the whatever available sums in our NCERT book. Okay, that's why you have to practice like that. Okay, so you have to give the spaces first according to some 6 or 7 journal entries. Then you turn the next page. Then you have to do working notes. Make it 2 side of notebook because the lengthy one, correct statement. Don't do the single side. Open the notebook. I will show it to you. Okay, suppose this is the book. You have to do the first journal entries. First you have to do the journal entries first pages. At least 2 pages leave it. Then go to next page. You have to utilize both sides. Statement showing the main heading. Statement showing details of share application money received. So you have to utilize both way. You can with pencil scale. You draw the lines very clearly. Then the currency value. So why I am telling everything for that you have to do. Okay, that's the correct way of completion of the problem. Understood? That's what? Journal entries, use spaces. But here we can't do journal entries immediately. Only working notes you have to do. Once you finish the working notes, then you come front side. You have to start our journal entries with the help of the statement from the available information. Okay, that's what the base of doing the work. Okay, so I hope that you understood the categories wise of the oversubscription. Correct. It's coming under the pro rata basis, oversubscription, different manner. A subsequent video is going to discuss under subscription. Okay. In the meantime, you have to practice available problem in our NCERT book. So I hope that you understood this session. Okay. So thank you very much.